In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cancel an incorrect or unused customer invoice so it no longer affects your accounts receivable or reports. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage invoices, since only users with appropriate access can void them. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the sales area. From there, select Invoices to open the full list of customer invoices. You'll see your invoices organized by status, like draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. Find the invoice you want to cancel. It helps to use the search bar or filters if your list is long. Open the invoice to review the details one more time. Double-check that this is the invoice you intend to void and that it's not needed for billing, tracking, or reporting. Keep in mind that voiding is typically permanent and is best used for invoices that were created in error or are no longer needed. If the invoice has already been fully paid or partially paid, the void option may not be available. With the invoice open, look toward the top of the page for the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots. Click that menu to expand the available actions and select Void. Xero will ask you to confirm that you want to void this invoice. Take a moment here to be certain, because once it's voided, you can't reinstate it to an active state. Confirm the action to proceed. After you confirm, wait for the invoice status to update. Xero will process the change and mark the invoice as voided. You should see the status label on the invoice update, and if you go back to your invoice list, you can filter to include voided invoices to verify it's there. If it doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Once voided, the invoice won't count toward customer balances or your aging reports, but the record remains in your system for audit and tracking purposes. That's all there is to it. Log into Xero, go to Sales, open Invoices, choose the invoice, use the 3-dot More Options menu, select Void, confirm, and wait for the status to change. Voiding is a clean way to remove incorrect or unused invoices while keeping a transparent history. Use it carefully, check your selection before confirming, and you'll maintain accurate, tidy records in Xero.